Good morning, children. It would be a great pleasure to have an interactive class with you all, but due to the prevailing situations, it is totally impossible. So let us concentrate on the subject matter and make this online classes productive. Today we are going to study the chapter Numeration, and the topics that we are going to deal are 5-digit numbers and 6-digit number, learning about the periods in the number, and the place value and face value of digits in a number. So, when we add 1 to the greatest 4-digit number, we get the smallest 5-digit number, which is 10,000. Now, the 5-digit number here is 36207. That is 36,207. Now, in order to read and write a number easily, we split it into periods or groups. So, the first 3 number from the right makes the ones period, and the next 2 makes the thousands period. We arrange the digit on the place value chart as it is shown, and we can number name it as 36,207. I'll give you another example. 100, tens, ones. So suppose we write the number as 43760. So how are we going to divide it into the periods? So we count the first 3 digits from the right and put a comma. This becomes the ones period and this becomes the thousands period. And we can write it as 43,760. If we write this number in expanded form, we will write it as 4 1 2 3 4 zeros, that is 40,000 put a comma plus 3 1 2 3 zeros 3,000 plus 700 plus 60 plus 7 plus 0. Next we go to the 6-digit number. Now here we know the greatest 5-digit number is 99,999, and when we add 1 to this number, we get the smallest 6-digit number, which is 1 lakh. We see here the number, we see the place values also here. So when we count again the 3 digits from the right, that is 1 2 4, and put a comma, this comes under the ones period, and the 4th and the 5th digit comes under the thousands period, and the 6th digit comes under the lakhs period. And we read the number as 1,36,421. I repeat, we count the first 3 digits from the right, 1 2 4, put a comma, which comes under the ones period, the 4th and the 5th digit, and then put a comma, which comes under the thousands period, and 1 comes under the lakhs period, and you can see the number written here. I'll give you an example. Let's write the number. Okay, so let us write it as 3,48,706. So we count the first 3 digits from the right side and put a comma here. This is the ones period. Then the fourth and the fifth digit and put a comma. This is the thousands period and this is the lakhs period. And we number it as, the number name for this is 3,48,706. And similarly, if we have to write it in an expanded form, we write it as 3,40,000 plus 8,000 plus 700 plus 0 plus 6. Okay, so we have come to know about the 6-digit numbers also. I'll show you how the 6-digit numbers are arranged on the abacus. We have the place values, that is lakhs, 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens, ones, and we have the number here. So if there is 6 digit in the ones place, we arrange 6 beads. 2 digits in the tens place, we arrange 2 beads, and so on. Alright. I would like to show you this also. Here, when in 10,000s column, we have 2 beads. So that is 2 10,000s, which can be also written as 20,000. 3 10,000 as 30,000, and so on. That's all about the 5-digit and the 6-digit numbers. We come to the next topic, that is the face value and the place value. What is a face value? A face value is a digit of a digit is the actual value of the digit itself. So as it appears, same as its face value. But the place value of a digit is the face value and we multiply it by the value of the place. I'll show you through an example, but please remember this. And one more important thing that has to be noted is the place value and face value of 0 always remain the same. Okay. So here we have a number 172827. So we take the digit one by one. The first digit is in the lakhs place. So this one, the face value of 1 is 1 itself, but the place value is 1 multiply the value of the place, that is lakh. 1 lakh, that is, so the place value is 1 lakh. The next is 7 multiplied by the value of the place is 10,000. So 7 10,000s or 70,000 is the place value, whereas the face value remains 7. 2 multiplied by 1000, that is 2,000s, or we can also write it as 2,000. 8 multiplied by 100, so 800s, which is 800. 2 tens, that is 20, and 7 ones, that is 7. So this is how we differentiate between face value and place value. So you remember, the face value will always remain the same as the digit appears here, but the place value depends upon the value of its place. Is that clear? So this is all about today, and the worksheet related to the class that has been taken to, that we have will be provided to you through the WhatsApp. Thank you.